Look here now.
Police officer with taser, show yourself now!
Right, show me your hands. Come here, come here. Walk towards me now. Walk towards me now. Against the wall, against the wall. Two contact. Hands against the wall, hands against the wall.
Okay, so you're both getting placed under arrest, okay? So the time is 9:17, both getting placed under arrest for cultivation of cannabis, okay? So you don't have to say anything, but it may harm your defence if you do not mention one question, something which you later line in court. Anything you do say may be good evidence, okay? Right, we'll leave.